Are you searching for the best inverter circuit board? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best inverter circuit board in 2024.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Inverter Mainboard Pure Sine Wave Model, ZXEE 500 watts. Features: high-quality electronic components, continuous power 500 watts, peak power 1000 watts, out voltage 220 volts, frequency 50 Hz 60 Hz, output waveform pure sine wave, net weight 0.4 kg. The driver board of this inverter has the function of automatically stabilizing the output voltage. Battery under voltage, battery over voltage, short circuit protection for overload and overcurrent of load. Advantages of product overheating protection. Output waveform is pure sinusoidal, loaded power foot, instantaneous loading capacity. Power up, low temperature rise in long-term work. No interference to electrical appliances. It is the preferred main board of ideal inverter power supply for household and industrial use and fans. High conversion efficiency and stability of output voltage. Low no-load current. No load current less than 200 mA 220 volt. Self-adjustable function of output voltage of inverters. Inverter has strong current starting ability, sufficient output power, strong load capacity, no interference, no electromagnetic radiation in the work of the inverters, good stability in the work of the inverters, not easy to damage, and low temperature rise in the work. This type of inverters is the ideal power supply for all enthusiasts.